Yummy. Watermelon. Abo. Simot na simot. Oh, hingi ka pa. You want more? You want more? Tell mommy. You want more? Hingi pa daw siya doon. Tatapon niya. Tinapon na. Want more? Yeah. Oh, mommy, can I have more? Oh, ask mommy doon. Yan, nakukuha na sa ref. Yay! Ayan na. Hindi na pinansin yung Dodo kasi nakita niya yung watermelon. Happy, oh, Jesus. Excited, oh. Gaano-ano pa ng paa. Ayan na. Baka nalalakihan pa. Liitan mo daw konti, mother.
Nalalakihan pa siya.
Wow, the wow. Can I see it then? Can I see? Dandahan. Wow. Oh, may baon ka ng isa. Wow. What will you say to mommy? Say thank you. Very good. Diba? Kain ng kain. Good job. That's good for you. Yummy? Yes. Ay, nag-exchange kami. Eat well. Okay, go. Sarap. Very good.